this is Jean. Welcome back to my channel.
I'm actually at Cancun with my family right now, and I want to take this chance to show you everything I pack in my bags, my carry-on, and my check-in bags with all my favorite travel essentials. I hope you find this video helpful, and let's get started. Started with my bag. Traveling with my family or not, I always pick a big bag. And also I need it very light because there's so many stuff in here that can be so heavy. Let's check it out what's inside. For me, a neck pillow is a must, especially for a long trip. It's so easy for me to fall asleep when I have a pillow that gives my neck the support it needs. A new adventure needs a new book. I love to chill on the beach and leave the rest of the world behind. I leave all my electronic devices in my room and fully enjoy the feel of reading a paper book. Here comes my bag secret, the 7PRL insert bag organizer. It was originally designed for Hermes Birkin, but it fits lots of my other bags. And it has amazing capacity that I can fit almost everything in this travel bag. How about this dinosaur coin bag by Coach? It's where I keep some cash for tips. Tissues and Ziploc bags. Those are must-haves when I travel with my kids. I'm always ready for an accident. Yep, that's everything. But remember, almost everything fits in the L insert bag. 2 passport holders, one for my documents and another for my kids. I'm also never too far from my notebook. I keep it close along with the pen and a marker, so I never forget my next big idea. Oh yes, these are my favorite Chanel glasses. A set. 1 prescription with 2 sunglasses lens. I can easily switch to sunglasses or swap the lenses depending on how bright it is outside. All made effortless by the magnet design. To enjoy a flight, I really need sleeping eye mask and a pair of comfy socks. My feet always get so cold. Okay, now, this cute pink bag is perfect for that time of the month. I always carry it with me, just in case any girlfriend around needs it too. White webs, you know, for all those germs on the plane, right? AirPods and regular earphones. AirPods are so convenient, but if you want to watch movies on the plane, you will probably need both. My trusty native Union charger with cord organizer. Are you always worried your phone will die like me? A portable charger is a must. A selfie light? I'm not really a selfie fan, but when I'm with my kids, I do like take some LC. Okay guys, this USB-C converter is amazing if you use a newer MacBook, really a must. Sometimes for work, I need a calculator. My husband just bought this fun gold one for me from Marshall's. Thank you, babe. Mouthwash. I like to keep my mouth fresh after eating on the plane. I always buy one at the airport before I board. This Lenovo Stick Lip Balm recently became my favorite. It gives enough hydration without that sticky feel. Sunscreen. Seriously girls, we have to put it on to protect our skin from premature aging and block UV rays, especially when enjoying a beautiful tropical island. A pair of contact lenses. Band-Aid. And a toilet seat cover. As a mom, I'm always prepared when out with my daughter. Last but not the least, some healthy snacks. Sometimes it's the best way to help my kids calm down. Well, it looks like I missed something, doesn't it? Oh yeah, my cell phone and card holder. You don't want to forget about them when traveling thousands of miles away from home, right? Okay, let's move on to my carry-on. First, and one of the most important items is my laptop. As an entrepreneur and fashion blogger, I work wherever I go. That's why I also have my USB converter in my bag. A large tech pouch is as important as my laptop because without my chargers, hard drives, and various cords, I would not be able to complete my work successfully. This is my super cute Enya Handbag cosmetic bag. I want to highlight this Laura Mercier primer. I have been using this for years, and it is still hands down my all-time favorite. And of course, I have my SPF 30 sunscreen for our family Cancun trip. Beside the glasses set in my bag, I also brought this jumbo Chanel sunglasses with me in my carry-on. I need all of the extra protection I can get to block off the strong Cancun UV rays. A big jewelry box. I prefer to keep all my jewelries with me in my carry-on rather than putting them in my check-in bags. I discovered some fun and colorful jewelry brands this season that is perfect for my tropical vacation. Rosene Azulen and APM are the two jewelry brands I discovered recently. I have been loving all the cute designs they offer. Here is the smaller jewelry box my BFF gifted me. I take this with me almost everywhere. I also brought my Perfecto X LED infrared facial device. I bought this on my last trip to Spain. I feel a little sad that I don't really consistently use this facial tool. With my busy schedule, I really need to remember to take better care of my skin. So my goal on this vacation is to relax and really pamper my skin every night. Up next is my Sonic electric toothbrush, followed by my spacious Louis Vuitton travel skincare bag. In this bag, I have my trusted La Mer face oil. I like to apply this face oil before serum. I usually alternate skincare based on the season of the year. This face oil is very fresh and moisturizing. I also brought my Sisley Lightning Serum, and I like to use this after a long fun day under the sun. It really helps to reduce any pigmentation on my face. No more dry hands with my Chanel hand lotion. And this Chanel makeup remover works wonders. Although it is made for eye makeup removal, but it actually works so well for all my makeup. My face always feels very fresh after using it. My newfound love are these rejuvenating Pychology eye gels. Great for depuffing, hydration, and brightening under eye area in just 5 minutes. My all-time favorite static fray hairbrush. And of course, I have to bring a variety of face mask options. And my GHD hair straightener with gloves. Oh, another sunscreen powder. Hat! This takes up a lot of spaces, but hats are the best accessory for sun protection, and who doesn't want to lay out on the beach in style? Woohoo! I finally found mine! Let's see what's in my checked bag. In my checked bag, I like to pack by category. I love using see-through packing cubes and pouches so I can see everything clearly and find things quickly. As a mom traveling with 2 kids, I always prepared my own personalized first aid kit, just in case anyone in the family has an accident. Come on, you guys know I love shoes. I will either pack them in their original dust bags or see-through bags. For all my sunglasses, I also organize them in the see-through bag. These are my toiletries in travel size containers. And here is another see-through bag for my skincare. I packed a lot of sunscreens this time, some for adults and others for kids. Here is another pair of shoes, my APL sneaker. Personally, I like to bring my own towels as well as towels for my kids. I found this cute unicorn travel toiletry set for my daughter. This set includes a translucent bag, cosmetic bag, pouch, brush, spout, and a dual bottles. I was able to fit 2 kids' towels in there too. One item I want to give a special shout out to are the Scale Pack packing cubes. Packing cubes have completely changed the way I pack my clothes. Now, I can clearly organize my clothes and my kids' clothes in my luggage. I store one of my beach bag in the zipper compartment of my luggage, and some hair accessories on the other side. Alright, that's all the items in my travel bags. I think I packed everything needed for my family and I. Anyways, I'm so ready to go to the beach and enjoy my vacation with my family. I hope you find my packing essentials video helpful, and I will see you next time. Bye!